Right, guys. I'm back. So first off, we'll start with Bitcoin Cash. um, Last time I said that I wasn't sure about whether E was in. I was confident that D was in. If you see this, if you've been here a while, follow me, you'll know what this is. First video that I did, Bitcoin Cash to 50k, etc., etc. We've got this A, B, C, D, E flat. So what this is here, I believe, is your E leg. So we can actually take a measurement of that, so we can get a ABC. I mean, more or less around here. So yeah, I mean, when everyone was bullish and I was selling here, I was like, I'm not quite sure about the markets, not quite sure about macro, etc., etc., etc. Since I told you that, literally from there, it's down 60% as forecast. I think this has got a good shot of going now. I think we're ready. I think this could be the E leg that we've been waiting for. Yeah, I'm gonna long this, and let's see what happens, because I think today is going to be a bullish day. And let's have a look at Ethereum. So, I mean, this looks like a broadening, expanding wedge. And let's go on a weekly, take all the drawings off, and see where we are, because we smashed down. Again, I called it up here. I was telling you guys, this is not good. No bueno. Everyone was bullish, down 65%. Bam. We got it. On a fib. Bosh. Look at that. I mean, if you follow the Bitcoin, what's his name? Blockchain backer, he does the 702. Bosh, look at that. This is time to buy, guys. You should be getting in. You should be buying right now. Like, bosh. Look at that weekly candle. Look at that weekly candle. That's a dragonfly doji, that. Maybe not quite, but more or less. Yeah, I'm going to call that. Dragonfly doji. Bosh. This is looking good. Let's look at AXS. There's your low. Did it get taken? No, didn't get taken out. Look at that. Bosh. Smash these buys, guys. Huge money. What else we got? Let's go to Bitcoin. So I still think this is possible. But we break to new all-time highs. We're going 200k. Or we go into this retracement rally and altcoins go wild. So there's two options. Can do that. Bosh. Or we can just float around here. Everything else goes nuts, like Ethereum, XRP. Let's have a look at that. What's that doing? See, this is strong. This hasn't done everything else that I thought. Probably going to go bosh now. Look at that candle. Look at that weekly candle. Look, that's bullish. I can't deny that. Where are we coming up? That's got to be there, isn't it? It's got to be $6. Somewhere around there. Yeah, there you go. 1.618. Go to ETH. ETH's a big trade. ETH is a money trade, okay? I can tell you now, ETH is the one you want to get in. So, let's give you a trade to change your life. So, this Look what this is forming. Bosh. Bosh. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho. Guys, if you know anything about trading, this is the easiest thing to see. Look at it. You've got a pennant there. And this would be, what we got here? We've got an A, B, C, D, E. Well, I got the wrong one. I got too excited. A, B, C, D, E. However, this could be A, this could be C, this could be D, this could be E, it could be dislike. It doesn't have to be as pretty as what I just did. This could be A, B, C, D. Do we make a new high? 496. We did. This could be E. So you could get like a truncated C. Could look like that. Anyway, this is what you want to buy. You want to get into ETH right now. Just don't worry about anything else. Just get into ETH. Get some ETH. See that? Like you could go like that. Look. Bosh. Oh. It's possible. It's possible. Minimum target, I'd say, would be this one. I'd say that one. I'd say I push you at 50, 60k. What about on the fib? 14k. I'd say, I mean, I don't know how the market's going to react here, but there's a lot of money to be made on ETH. You got to be serious. Like, you got to get some ETH. You got to get an ETH. Because this thing's gone up, way up. If you put it on, yeah, probably more sensible to come down about there. So this is going up. This is going here, and I do still think it could probably go to 80k. If it comes up to like 13, 14k, yeah, don't sell. Okay, guys, right? Just get in. This is the time to buy. Markets change all the time. I'm in. I'm long now. Everybody's been washed out. I knew it was going to dump. I didn't know how far it was going to dump. I knew something was going to happen. I didn't know what. We had all the tariffs. We've had Trump in. Everyone thought that was bullish. I said from the very beginning, that's not bullish. This is buying time, guys. This is get in right now. Okay. See you soon.